Roku TVs usually let you pick up local broadcast channels by HDTV antennas, but due to the recent Live TV Guide feature, that's not possible now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The new feature, unified interface with improved search functionality. But due to this, over-the-air channels are now located in the same place as internet channels. So now, to access Live TV Guide, you need an internet connection, which means you cannot watch local broadcasts if you have no internet. Roku says the company didn't intentionally block free OTA TV channels from working, and they are working to fix it within the coming weeks or days. Besides, from watching content or playing games using Roku TV apps, the option to use an antenna to watch local channels is a massive quality of life feature for Roku TVs. They were the best place to watch major sports events or to get info during emergency scenarios, especially if you live in an area where severe storms are common and the internet isn't always smooth. This has just become another comfortable truth about using Roku TV. For a company that's got a history of privacy concerns and inconsistent optimization, it's a bad look to roll out a problematic update that's currently taking multiple weeks to fix. Roku's Live TV Guide feature sure gives users a cleaner and more streamlined interface, but that's the very same change that's currently making it impossible to watch local over-the-air channels without internet. On the other hand, an Amazon Fire TV has all the benefits of Amazon's more robust smart home ecosystem. Like Roku TVs, Amazon Fire TVs also allow you to connect an HDTV antenna and watch local OTA channels for free. Until Roku resolves its ongoing issues, Fire TVs will have the distinct advantage. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.